Yes, habari ya asubuhi. I hope you're fine. So yesterday we covered some of the living things that are found in more class of noun. And mostly we talked about the people. Yes. So today let me introduce to you how some of the animals and birds, then insects, are termed in Kiswahili. So, for these ones, they remain the same, both in plural and singular. So we have mbwa. Mbwa is a dog, and mbwa remains dogs. It remains. And we have paka. Paka is a cat. The same. We have ngombe. Ngombe is a cow. We have simba. Simba is a lion. We have ndovu. Ndovu is an elephant. Then we have, when you go to birds, some of them we have kuku. Kuku is a hen. Then we have kasuku. Kasuku is a parrot. Kasuku is a parrot. Then we have tai. Tai is an eagle. We have bata muzinga. Bata muzinga. Bata muzinga is a turkey. It's a turkey. Then when we go to insects, the common ones, we have nyuki. Nyuki is a bee. We have mbu. Mbu. Mbu is a mosquito. We have nzi. Nzi. Nzi is a fly. Yes, then we have samaki. What are some of the samaki? We have ngege. Ngege is tilapia, fish. Then we have papa. Papa is shark. Shark. Yes, so if I may ask you to construct one of the sentences using more class of noun, how do you start? Let me give you some of the examples. So we have, one says, mwanafunzi anasoma. Mwanafunzi, remember we told you it is a singular of a student. Then plural is wanafunzi. The student is reading. The students are reading. Then two, we have mwalimu anaimba. Mwalimu anaimba. Imba peke yake kinamaanisha to sing. Then in plural, walimu wanaimba. You note there is a and wa. A represents he or she. Then wa represents they. Yes. Then you see. Then number 3 says Rafiki alikuja nyumbani. Ali. Li, it's a tense of past tense. Li. So that's why they told you the friend came home. The friend came home. Then if there are many, we say Rafiki walikuja nyumbani. The friends came home. Then we have mama anapika kuku. Mama anapika kuku. The mother is cooking chicken. Then when they are in plural, it is mama wanapika kuku. The mothers are cooking chicken. My friend, I hope you aren't bad, right? Oh, I wish you all the best. That marks the end of today. Don't forget to subscribe at Lugha Lady. Okay? Like, comment.